Hello and welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about the verb procrastinate. The past of procrastinate is procrastinated. What it means is if someone procrastinates, it means that they keep putting off something that needs to be done. So if you like, delaying it so that it can't be done. So, procrastination is the noun. Procrastinate is a semi-formal, formal English word. And it's really an advanced English word. Procrastinate is something that you might find in an employer's report about a staff member. In formal English, it's talking about somebody who keeps delaying or putting off an action. You won't very often hear this word used in everyday English because, like you've just heard, there are other alternatives like delay, postpone, not doing it straight away, which is a phrase. So, procrastinate means to keep putting off or delaying something which needs to be done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please keep looking out for the others. Keep liking and sharing them. If you have any questions about what we do with the words, with the video, please write the question in the comment below and I'll do my best to answer straight away. Bye!